Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to disable AI overview feature in Gmail easily. So let's get started. So firstly, go to your browser and open Gmail. Now click the gear icon in the top right corner. Then click on see all settings. Now scroll down. Here you will see smart features. Now turn off smart features. Then click on turn off and reload. With the help of this, you can smart compose, smart reply, Gemini AI feature, AI summarizes or overview features. These all features turn off and you don't want to use. So save the changes. It will automatically save the changes. Gmail will refresh with the updated settings. So if you want to enable, turn on it right again. Here you will see turn on smart feature and personalization. You can just simply click on turn on. It will turn on directly from your main screen of Gmail. And that's it. This is how you can turn off AI overview feature in Gmail easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.